Hello, my name is Faisal Khan. I'm a banking and a payment consultant. It seems a day doesn't go by you don't hear the word neobank. Neobank this, neobank that, neobank this, neobank that. Well, I get a lot of requests, people saying, hey, we want to start a neobank, we want to start a neobank. And I keep telling them it's not easy. The word neo just simply means new. You're still starting a new bank and you need a lot of money for it. And then they tell me, oh, well, Lithuania has a license, we can get that, or, we can go get it from, UK or Hong Kong or Singapore, etc. And then I tell them the requirements of what the capital requirements are. And then pretty much I never hear from them again. The whole goal of making this video is to let you know, if you're even thinking about making a neobank, if you really have the money, or maybe you have the vision, maybe you have the marketing power of making a neobank, then perhaps you can think smaller. And how do you do that? Well, the easiest way of going about that route is to become a pseudo neobank. We've talked about it in plenty of videos. There's a complete series. I'll put it up over here. It's called Build Your Own Bank as a Service, or Bring Your Own Bank as a Service, whatever you may want to call it. And you can start a bank, a pseudo bank, a very small and a limited bank for your clients that has basically the same functionality. It has the ability to take deposits. It has the ability to have multi-currency accounts if you want to. It has the ability to make payments into a local payment network, whether it's SEPA, whether it's SWIFT, whether it's faster payments, and so forth. And it has the ability to issue debit cards in certain jurisdictions where it's allowed, etc. People want to jump suddenly to making a neobank, and I said, well, hold on, stop it. You want to do lending, you want to do gold deposits, you want to do cryptocurrency, you want to do this, you want to do that. Start with the very basic. Understand what it takes to make such a bank. Understand the regulatory framework and the regulatory filtering that you will have to go through. The regimented society in a regulated world is extremely harsh and extremely tough to work in. And if you've never been that, it's like, going to a boot camp in the army. You imagine what the first day will do to you, and imagine what 10 days does to you, So it's not a pretty picture. People think it's a very rosy science, I can get everything sponsored, I don't have to touch everything. Yes, that is possible. But it does come with certain caveats. You must have your own anti-money laundering reporting officer. You must have a very good compliance program in place. You will be responsible for the transactions that you set out. You have to understand certain audits. You have to be open for audits. You have to have a very good transaction management system, etc. So if you're trying to build a neobank, start with the very basic, very simplistic model. Don't say I want to open a neobank by sitting in, let's say, Kenya or in Nigeria or from Philippines or Mexico, and I'm going to be onboarding clients from world over. I'm going to be boarding clients from 56 countries, etc. That just even from a marketing point of view is a huge undertaking and commitment. So if you're going to start in that arena, start small. Start with something that's doable, start something that is affordable, start something that you can either close down after a certain time should it not meet your needs or should you not be successful, or maybe you can even scale up as you go if it's very successful. So if you would like to discuss how to get started with your own neobank, or what we call BYOBaaS, Build Your Own Bank as a Service, please do get in touch with us. There's a contact form in the description below. Fill it out. I'll be happy to get in touch with you and review it. If you have a general comment, the YouTube comments are now open. Please feel free to comment over there. Let us know what type of videos you would like me to make more. I have a very, very large list that I'm trying to get over with. Probably will take me the summer to finish it. There are about 150 to 160 videos on that list. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. Anyways, there's also a WhatsApp number now that we have. So if you feel like communicating through that, please do so. Till next time, this is Faisal Khan signing off. Stay safe.